Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of Ranch Recipe, we're going to cook Korean spicy pork bulgogi. This one is gonna be my own version, which is gonna be lighter and less spicy. When I go to the Korean restaurant, I always order this dish, and I keep ordering more like this, more pickles. So I decided to cook it myself, and I can eat as much as like this I want, and I even make my own pickles. I'm gonna show you as well. It's very easy and simple. First, marinate meat. Here is our ingredients. I love this premium quality pork for this dish. You can use pork loin or pork butt. Slice it to 1/8 inch thickness. Pork butt is more tender and juicier. We need only 1 pound for this recipe. I'm going to marinate the pork collar butt first. Just add all ingredients and mix it well together. Give it a little massage. Add yellow onion and the bottom part of the green onions. Since the pork is already tender, you can go ahead to cook it right away after you marinate it. At high heat, add sesame oil and meat. These quality meat are very thin slices. It takes only 3 to 4 minutes to cook. If you cook it too long, meat will be tougher. It's done! Yummy! Next, marinate pork loin and pork butt that I sliced myself. Add all ingredients together, plus additional half teaspoon of baking soda to make the meat more tender. Keep it at least 1 hour. Overnight would be better. At high heat, cook it with sesame oil. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook this. Let's eat! It's great with steamed rice. I also love to put this pork on a lettuce leaf with a little bit of gochujang, fresh garlic, jalapeno, and wrap it into a bite. It is so good. I'm going to show you how to make simple pickles yourself. Here are the ingredients. Vegetable preparation. We will need 2 cups of sliced vegetable. Cucumber is a main ingredient here. I also like to put the daikon radish, carrot, onions, and fresh jalapeno. The jalapeno will give me a little spicy kick. Next, mix all ingredients together and then add the sliced vegetable in there. Mix it well together, and that's about it. You can have it 5 minutes later. Here it is, our cucumber pickle. It is a good side dish with our spicy pork bulgogi. We are done with this episode of Ranch Recipe, Spicy Pork Bulgogi. I hope that you like it. And please try it, it's very healthy. Thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you next time.